good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Dog with another video, man. Hey, man, make sure y'all go check out the last video. We painted the calipers. The calipers was looking nasty as hell, I ain't gonna lie. But we got it professionally done and everything looking good. So make sure y'all go check that out to see what color those are. I ain't gonna lie, y'all probably gonna see it right now too. I ain't gonna lie. But make sure y'all go check out the video because it was a process and we went through it. I ain't gonna lie to you. But anyway, man, today is a new day. I don't know how I'm gonna title this video. I don't know if I'm gonna say dog pack. I don't know if I'm gonna say hell dog. I don't know what to call this video, but I'm gonna show y'all why we calling it that, bro. Today, y'all, ain't gonna lie, I got some parts in to make this engine faster, bro. We got some mods coming for the you know what I'm saying, the 300, you feel me? We gonna make this thing a killer, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But before we do that, we gotta debadge what we got on the car right now, man. I'm gonna show y'all what we got on the car right now if you don't know. But before we get into it, make sure y'all subscribe right now. Join the family. If you're not a part of the family yet, like what the fuck are you doing? Subscribe right now, bro. Join the family. Make sure you got your noti bell on to get all the notifications. We finna drop like crazy for 2025. Today is a new era, y'all. I'm excited to show y'all, bro. Today's a new era because we just got our first engine mods in. We got a whole bunch coming in the, I ain't gonna lie, in the in the next couple weeks. I ain't gonna lie, we got some crazy shit coming. So make sure y'all stay tuned. And also make sure y'all drop a like on this video. Y'all don't be dropping a like. We be getting some views. Y'all don't be dropping a like, bro. Everybody drop a like right now. Comment below, I'll give you $1 cash app. Drop your cash app in the comments right now.
I hope so.
Okay. Anyway, man, drop a like so I can keep buying parts for this car. And we gonna make this thing. Hey, we about to do something crazy. Everybody be doing swaps and stuff like that. We gonna build. You know what I'm saying? We gonna build on this 300. Don't know, your boy Dog has a 5.7. We finna make this 5.7. Be able to beat some scats. Beat some motherfucking cats. It's gonna be a process, but we gonna motherfucking do it. Simple as that. We be indifferent. Simple as that. Anyway, man, today is the same day as the last video. We still here in East St. Louis, if y'all don't know. You know what I'm saying? Everybody just pulling up. Another 300 just pulled up. We just chilling, you know what I'm saying? Barbecuing and shit. It's feeling good outside. No special event. Tomorrow is 314 day. So tomorrow gonna be crazy. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Today is Thursday. Tomorrow is 314 day. March 14th, 314 day, St. Louis area code, if you don't know. And it's about to be a crazy takeover tomorrow. So we gonna see how it happens. Get right, man. Get right. Oh, God. Are you? Wait, damn, bro. It's like that. Niggas ain't shit. Niggas ain't gonna strike my wheels, bro. But anyway, man, back to the video, man. You feel me? Y'all know we got the hell, you know, whatever you want to call it, hell dog pack, whatever logo. This is the Hellhound logo. Dodger's actually gonna drop a car with this logo, but they never ended up doing it. But we put it on here, you know what I'm saying? Everybody got a Hellcat logo or some shit. We put a Hellhound on this bitch, and everybody keeps saying it look like a fucking wolf. It's the dog, motherfucker. But anyway, bro, we finna, you know what I'm saying? We got the new badges that just came in. Everybody keep talking about my goddamn Hellhound logo, saying it look like a wolf or a husky or some shit. Everybody calling it a husky and shit. I ain't gonna lie, low-key do. I ain't gonna lie, y'all was right. So today, y'all, you know what I'm saying? To make this thing the first ever dog pack or hell dog, whatever you want to call it, we had to get some new badges. You know what I'm saying? I got these badges off Forge Concepts. I'm going to tag them in the description on Instagram, Forge Concept. We got some new custom badges. We got 2 rear trunk badges. And then we got 2 fender badges as well on each side, just like the ones I just showed y'all. Let me go ahead and show y'all, man. It's the beginning of a new era, like I said, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already seen these badges. I'm really active on Instagram, so make sure you follow your boy, 300 Dog on Instagram. But anyway, enough of that motherfucking talking. Let me show y'all the badges. We finna install the new badges, bro. You know what I'm saying? This is the first look of the dog pack or hell dog, whatever you want to call it, man. You feel me? We got this right here. This is gonna be on the trunk of the car right here. You feel me? Got the red-eye dog. You see the ear on that bit? That bit gonna go bottom. Should it go top, right? We're going to probably go bottom. Yeah, we're going to do bottom right. We're going to put that with the fender badges. You just got to take the brown, peel it off real quick, but it's black. You know what I'm saying? We're going to put this on the side fenders. You feel me? Here side by side, it look more of like a dog. I ain't gonna lie. The bottom look like a wolf or a husky. But this look like a little Rottweiler, a pit, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. But that motherfucker look horrible. So we're gonna put that right there. You know what I'm saying? And it look more, you know what I'm saying, more official. You feel me? And then, like I said, if y'all didn't check out the, you know what I'm saying, the Brembo, I'm showing y'all the color right now. But we got the Brembo's yellow now. They was green and looking very bubbly, and it was nasty as hell, but now we got them yellow, you feel me? If y'all want to see the process, make sure y'all go check it out, how to, you know what I'm saying, paint your calipers or whatever like that. It's not easy, it's just a long process, and try not to rush because that's why my shit was looking nasty. But anyway, man, we gonna put these side fender badges on. We gonna put the back badges on as well. And that's the first step to making the hell dog or the whatever the fuck you want to call it.
16.
So today, y'all, we about to get the badges on. Y'all already seen how the badges look. Got my boy Thomas, man. So what we doing first, bro?
You gotta heat up the adhesive behind it, that way it make it easier.
All right, so we gotta heat this up before taking it off. If we just took it off, what's gonna happen?
Pull that paint off right with this motherfucker.
Tuffington. So heat this bitch up for like, I don't know what, 2 minutes?
Yeah, something like that.
On my soul. So all y'all need, y'all, is just some fucking heat gun, a little razor clip, whatever the fuck that shit called. And we just gonna scrape this one off real quick. It's that nigga with that slow ass Scotch Pock. That slow ass Scotch Pock.
Hey, man, I want your viewers to know that you spending all this money to beat a stock 392.
Bro, chill on me, bro. Me, I would've just pulled, I would've nigga rigged it and pulled it off.
You see, I can probably nigga rig it now, but hold this for 2 seconds.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Oh, bitch, shut up.
I'm just saying, bitch. Don't tell me 2 seconds. I'm just saying, bro. Stop, bro. Nigga playing while we at work, bro. Gonna get us fired, bro. All right, y'all. So what's coming off you? Damn, nigga. Shit coming off. We got some motherfucking liquid. I don't know what this shit called, but something to get this off. You can use some Goo Gone if y'all don't. Yeah, I don't know what this is called, y'all. So just buy some Goo Gone, wipe it on here and shit. It's gonna come right off, bro. This slow ass nigga with this slow ass mirror and shit.
Wait, you don't want to raise it.
This slow ass mirror. Hey, this bitch look like a dog or a wolf, bro.
It look like a wolf. I ain't
Fuck, bro. That's why we getting rid of it, bro. Simple as that. I don't like how I just looked up at you, though. Pause. Man, bro, I was on my knees and shit. I was, bro. I was showing them. Not like that, bro. Come on, gang.
You almost killed yourself.
Bro, Rico Suave, goddamn, bitch. So, y'all make sure y'all clean the surface off real quick, goddamn. Shit not coming off, gang. I've been trying to get that shit off for so long.
Nigga, that's a scratch.
I know, nigga. That's why it's not gonna come off.
I'm just saying, I'm cleaning.
You know what else you can clean? Buff it out for 150. Goddamn, nigga.
You want this motherfucker in the old spot where this one was?
Yes, bro. With the old one.
You want
Boom.
I'm trying to make sure it's...
Hold on, just straight. Hold on. Fuck. I can't
This
even.
motherfucker look straight, bro.
Go a little up on the left side.
Just like that? No, that's crooked, bro. I'm telling you, it's right here.
Tay, come help out, nigga.
It's already on.
Come on, nigga. It's on already? Motherfucker, is that straight? That shit. God damn it,
Fucking
bro.
lie to him like that, nigga.
Niggas, man.
Nigga, look at it. That motherfucker is flat with your goddamn taillight, bro. That bitch is flat, bro.
Okay, that bitch.
That bitch is flat.
It's all right, bro. All right, bro. I trust you, bro. All right, y'all. So we measured the OEM Hellcat badge real quick. So we marked on here where we need to put the badge real quick. Got the measure tape and everything. So we finna make this bitch perfect. Y'all know if I did it myself, this bitch would have been nigga rigged. We would have just did it by eye. But my boy Thomas like to be a professional and shit. Shout out to my dog. Don't care. All right, y'all. This the beginning, man. Finna start building on this bitch. Pussy. Pussy, y'all. That's the first one on my soul. All right, man. Big dog pack, chat. Big dog pack. Hey, that motherfucker different, I swear to God. It looked like an actual dog, bro. Got the ears on it and shit. Y'all comment below what y'all thinking, man. It's the right side. We gotta do the left side.
That bitch centered perfectly.
On my soul. Dick getting a little hard. So what, OEM is 16 inches high?
16 high.
16 high. We gonna mark that bit, all right. Oos.
You just leave that one. And then 3 from the fender.
3 from the 3 inches from the
three from the. Hold on. Oh shit! So that motherfucker, that's a perfect dot.
For real?
That motherfucker 3 inches out.
It's like, good.
That bitch 3 inches out.
Shit.
That shit. That
Fuck it, come on. All right, y'all, we got that bitch. Oh, man, official, man. Dog pack, hell dog, whatever the fuck you want to call it, man. What the fuck? That's the shit I'm talking about. Y'all just caught this nigga finally, bro. God damn. Guys, so that's pretty much it for the video, man. Y'all rate the badges 1 through 10, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, it's the beginning of a new era. We got rid of the wolf. Now it's really a dog, you feel me? It's no cap, man. But make sure y'all stay tuned. Engine mods is next. We done with cosmetics. The next thing we gonna do cosmetic-wise is just a wrap. You feel me? Y'all give me some ideas in the description. But now it's straight engine performance mods now, bro. It's finna get nasty. And we're gonna have this bit barking. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Make sure y'all subscribe, drop a like on this video, man, so we can get everything done. I love y'all. Make sure y'all stay safe, y'all stay blessed. And I'm out this day, man.